Hello, thank you for visiting the Wild Kitchen channel. Today I will show you a recipe for a delicious dish. 2 eggplants. Chop into cubes. Write from which country you watch my videos. Boil 4 eggs for 10 minutes. One onion. Olive oil. One sweet pepper. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you don't miss my next video or recipes. Nice to see your support. Fry for 3 minutes. Cover with a lid and simmer for 10 minutes. A bunch of dill. A little green onion. One egg. 1/2 cup of milk. Salt and pepper. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new recipes. Also check out other videos. It's good for me and important to the development of the channel. 2 tablespoons of flour. Pour the milk and egg mixture into the frying pan and simmer for 10 minutes. Cut the boiled eggs in half. Sprinkle with grated cheese. Cover with a lid and fry for 5 minutes until the cheese melts.